Hey, what's up? It's Elizabeth from Allrecipes. And while the holidays might look a little bit different this year, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy your favorite classic fall casseroles, like Stacy's half-cup sweet potato casserole. It's a super easy, small-scale side dish for a downsized holiday dinner that's got pantry-stable ingredients, so it's super easy and super delicious. Let me show you how to make it. In a medium bowl, mix together half a cup of flour, half a cup of quick cooking oats, half a cup of packed brown sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once that's mixed in, add a half a cup of butter and cut it into the mixture until it's well combined and nice and crumbly. In a larger bowl, add a 40-ounce can of drained sweet potatoes, a half a cup of whole berry cranberry sauce. You can use the canned variety or your favorite homemade version. Reserve a cup of your flour mixture and add it into your sweet potatoes and cranberries. If you want to make this recipe a little more homemade, you can use fresh sweet potatoes, just with the extra step of peeling and boiling them until they're tender. Spread that mixture into the bottom of an 8x8 baking dish and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Then sprinkle on a cup of mini marshmallows and return it to the oven until they're browned and delicious for about 10 more minutes. My aunt always makes the best sweet potato casserole. She tops hers with crumbled ginger snaps, and it's crunchy and delicious. So I'm super excited to give this a try. I've got the perfect bite. It's so sweet and delicious. Those cranberries give it such a nice little kick, and the little crumbly topping with the oats and the cinnamon and everything is just delicious. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you have any other fun holiday side dish recipes, drop them in the comments below and let me know if you're gonna make this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.